How to log in Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your Amazon account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon shopping application here. And the very first thing that you have to do is to simply make sure to select your country and your region as well as your language. So I'll leave it at that and then I'll just tap the done option. So right here you can see it says already a customer sign in, so make sure to tap on it, and from here all you have to do is simply make sure to go ahead and then basically enter the email address, and once done, after that make sure to also go ahead and then actually enter your password here. So once you go ahead and then enter your password, tap on the sign in option. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap on this forgot password link here and you will be able to reset your password as well. This way you'll be able to log into Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.